Welcome to PropSub. In this video tutorial, we will look at how to search for investment properties on PropSub.com. PropSub has made the process of discovering investment properties with great return potential easy. Now, there are three ways to search for properties on PropSub. The first is guided search, where you would search based on a down payment amount. The second is search by category, where you would search based on popular categories like cash flow positive properties or fixer-uppers or turnkey properties. And then the third is search by location. This is when you already know where you're searching for, if you know the city or the neighborhood that you want to invest in. And the last piece is properties for rent. If you're looking to rent properties as a renter, this is where you would go. So first, let's start with guided search. So I'm going to enter in $50,000. That's my down payment amount. Click on start. Presented with a couple of options. This is down payment, 100% or 20%. Now this can be changed later. I'm going to be leaving it at 20%. And then next it prompts you to select the markets you're interested in. Right now we're active in 4 markets, so we'll leave all 4 selected. And bingo, you will be presented with cash flowing properties from the markets that you had selected in. For example, the first result that shows up is 16003 Spalding Avenue in Markham, Illinois. Has a rent potential of $1,400, which is a cash on cash potential of 14.78% based on a 20% down. Now, there's a little black box here that basically tells you that if you are putting $50,000 as down payment, you as an investor could buy an additional property in addition to the one on Spalding Avenue. So click on the little black box and it shows you the 2 properties that you could buy if you bring in $50,000 and put 20% down. And then you can see those 2 properties that you're able to buy. And you click on calculate ROI and go on and analyze the return potential for those properties. Now the other way to search is search by category. When search by category, if you click on it, you'll see it drops down and shows you, if you want to do a cash flow positive property, if you want to do a cash purchase or leverage purchase, or popular categories like turnkey and fixer upper and motivated seller and owner financed. These are some of the popular searches. So now if you're an investor that wants to do a cash purchase and are interested in cash flow positive properties, then you would select that category. And then you would pick the market that you're interested in. I'm going to pick Indianapolis and go there. Now that you're presented with properties that are cash flow positive based on a cash purchase, just go ahead and use the filter section on the left hand side to play with it and narrow your results down. And you also observe up top here that the results have been categorized into the different groups. And then the last way to search for properties for sale is by search by location. This is you just go ahead and enter Fort Worth. And then you're presented with properties with the cash flowing properties on the top. You could also observe here that we've grouped results into the other categories as well. And you just quickly click into the tab and go look at that group. So that's how you search for properties for sale on PropSub.com.